Hello, and welcome to day 3, Wednesday, October 7th. Today is Wednesday. That means it's an async day. We will not be meeting on Zoom today. So here's what you have to do for today. First, you are going to watch this video that explains what you're going to do today. Then you will click Async. In Async, you have 2 activities for today. The first activity is in your textbook. It is very important before you go to the page that you read the entire assignment before you begin. So you are going to complete page 18, the whole page. Okay, when you're done, you're going to take a picture of what you completed in your book and upload it to the discussion. So you read the first part, and there are explanations about what to do. So if you are confused, make sure you read the explanations here before you do the assignment. And when you're done, you take a picture and upload it to the discussion post. So after you finish writing in your book, you take a picture and you will go to File and you will upload the document, the picture. If it's on your phone, it's a little bit easier to do this from your phone than it is on your computer. So after you finish writing everything in your textbook, take a picture with your phone, open up the Schoology app on your phone, find this discussion, and upload your picture. And that's it for this activity. If you have any questions, you know where to find me. Go back to Async. You have a Nearpod, a writing assignment. So yesterday we talked about topic sentences, and now you will do more practice with topic sentences. So you click on the link. You should be used to doing a Nearpod. You type your name, click join lesson, and it's on topic sentences. You just read and take notes, watch the video, read and take notes, play the game, take the quiz. Remember, you have to submit answers to the quiz. Okay? And of course, my answers might not be correct, but this is just an example. Okay? Then you get your score. And that is it for the Nearpod. Okay? And that is it for the async work for today. Now, for sync, well, not really sync, but Student Services is having a virtual panel about Central America because this is Teaching Central American Week. So the discussion will be held from 10 to 11:30 on Zoom. Here's the link. You can just click the link. Here's the ID and here's the password. Okay? And it's from 10 to 11:30. And that's it. Good luck.